Have you ever woken up feeling anxious, restless, or empty? You're not alone. Most people start their day already stressed, checking phones, chasing tasks, or battling negative thoughts. But what if I told you that Gautam Buddha, thousands of years ago, followed a simple but powerful morning routine? A routine that helped him rise above fear, anger, and attachment. A routine that can reset your mind and change the way you live each day. In today's video, we'll walk through Buddha's morning routine, not just what he did, but why it worked, and how you can bring it into your life. Buddha believed the first thoughts of the day were the seeds of your entire destiny. He taught that each morning we are born again. What we do today is what matters most. For Buddha, the morning was not a race. It was a sacred reset, a time to connect the mind, body, and spirit before facing the world. In the early hours, while the world is silent, our thoughts are most pure, our intentions most powerful. It is the perfect time to plant thoughts of clarity, peace, and compassion. Buddha would wake before sunrise, often around 4 a.m., a time known in Eastern philosophy as the Brahma Muhurta, or divine hour. There is science behind this too. At that time, the mind is still, distractions are minimal, and the air is rich in oxygen. His first action? He would sit in stillness, often beneath a tree or in a quiet space, simply breathing. Not meditating yet, just returning to the breath. Waking the body with awareness, not alarm. Feeling gratitude for life itself. He believed that conscious breathing is the bridge between the mind and the present moment. Before moving or speaking, Buddha would engage in mental cleansing. He would reflect, what am I holding from yesterday? Is there any anger, greed, jealousy, or fear? He taught, the mind is everything. What you think, you become. And so his first goal was to purify his thoughts. If you begin the day angry, the entire day becomes tainted. But if you clear the mind first, even pain can pass through you gently. You can do this too. Sit in silence. Observe your emotions. Let go. Not with force, but with acceptance. Buddha was extremely mindful of the first words he spoke each day. In fact, there were many mornings when he didn't speak at all. He waited until his words would uplift, not disturb. He believed that words carry energy, and that silence is often more powerful than speech. Before speaking, he would ask himself, is it true? Is it kind? Is it necessary? Let your morning words be few, but filled with love. After stillness, Buddha often engaged in walking meditation. Slowly, barefoot, mindfully. With each step, he would connect his body to the earth, saying to himself, I have arrived. I am home. This simple practice helped him ground his energy and calm his mind. You can try this even in your bedroom or garden. Walk slowly. Breathe deeply. Feel the connection beneath your feet. It's not about distance, it's about presence. Then came the heart of Buddha's morning, meditation. He would sit cross-legged, close his eyes, and observe his breath. No distractions, no goals, just pure awareness of inhalation and exhalation. He practiced vipassana, which means to see things as they truly are. During this time, Buddha let go of all attachments, no desire for success, no fear of failure, no holding on to identity, just observing the flow of the universe through the breath. Even 10 minutes of meditation like this can change your whole day. After his meditation, Buddha would set a clear intention for the day. Today, I will practice compassion. Today, I will not speak with anger. Today, I will see everyone as my teacher. He knew that without intention, the mind drifts into chaos. But when the heart leads, the day becomes sacred. Take a few moments after your meditation to whisper an intention. Let it guide you like a compass throughout the day. Buddha ate his first meal of the day only after completing his inner work. His food was simple, often rice, fruits, or lentils, offered to him with love. He ate slowly, mindfully, in silence. He once said, "When you eat, just eat. Chew, feel, taste. Your breakfast is not a task, it's a meditation." This habit keeps the body light, the mind sharp, and the spirit grateful. Only after completing his personal routine did Buddha step out into the world. He would walk to villages, talk to people, share teachings, listen to their pain, but he never gave to the world from emptiness. He filled his cup first, then let it overflow to others. If you want to serve, succeed, or shine in life, start by tuning your inner self first. So, what is Buddha's morning routine to reset the mind? 1. Wake before sunrise in stillness. 2. Cleanse your thoughts. 3. Speak only when mindful. 4. Walk with presence. 5. Meditate deeply. 6. Set your intention. 7. Eat mindfully. 8. Give to the world from fullness. Buddha didn't have smartphones or alarms, yet he mastered the art of morning clarity. So can you. Because when the morning is peaceful, the mind becomes powerful. And when the mind is powerful, no storm can shake your spirit.